Dear students, in this presentation we will go through the last part of group theory, that is determination of point groups of simple molecules like acetylene, water, ammonia, BF3, nickel CN4 2- and benzene. Consider acetylene. The structure is linear. It is given. Then what are the symmetry elements? A C infinite axis passing through all the four atoms. This is the principal axis. An infinite number of C2 axes perpendicular to the principal axis. An infinite number of sigma D planes passing through all the four atoms. A horizontal plane, that is sigma H, and a center of inversion I. Therefore, the symmetry elements are E, C infinity, infinity C2, infinity sigma D, sigma H, I. Therefore, the point group of acetylene is D infinity H. Other examples are BeCl2, H2CO2. Therefore, homonuclear linear molecules like N2O2 all are example for D infinity H point group. Consider water. The structure is bend shaped, otherwise V shaped. It is given in the picture. What are the symmetry elements? A C2 axis passing through the oxygen atom. This is the principal axis. Z axis is the C2 axis. There are two sigma V planes, one in the XZ plane and other in the YZ plane. The symmetry elements are E, C2 to sigma V. Therefore, the point group of water is C2V. Other examples for C2V point groups are formaldehyde, pyridine, dichloromethane, etc. Ammonia. It is a trigonal pyramidal shape. The structure is given. We will check the symmetry elements. A C3 axis, that is the principal axis. Z axis is the C3 axis. There are three sigma V planes. One plane formed by Z axis and NHA bond. Second plane formed by Z axis and NHB bond. And third plane formed by Z axis and NHC bond. Therefore, symmetry elements are E, C3, 3 sigma V. The point groups of ammonia is C3V. Other examples for C3V point groups are chloroform, PH3, etc. Next is boron trifluoride. Shape is trigonal planar. It is given. There is a C3 axis passing through boron atom. This is the principal axis. Z axis is the C3 axis. There is 3 C2 axis passing through each fluorine atom and central boron atom, which is perpendicular to the C3 axis. 3 sigma V planes. One plane formed by Z axis and BFA bond. Second plane formed by Z axis and BFB bond. And third plane formed by Z axis and BFC bond. One sigma H plane passing through all the atom, that is in the XY plane. The symmetry elements are E, C3, 3C2, 3 sigma V, sigma H, 2S3. Therefore, the point group of BF3 is D3H. Nickel CN4 2-. It is square planar in shape. A C4 axis passing through nickel atom, that is the principal axis. Z axis is the C4 axis. 4 C2 axis passing through each Cn atom and central nickel atom, which is perpendicular to the C4 axis. 2 sigma V planes and 2 sigma D planes. one sigma h plane passing through all atoms, that is in the xy plane. There is a center of inversion I. The symmetry elements are E, C4, 4C2, 2 sigma V, 2 sigma D, sigma H, S4, I. The point group of nickel CN4 2 minus is D4H. Other example is platinum Cl4 2 minus. Next is benzene. It is planar regular hexagon in shape. A C6 axis passing through center, that is the principal axis. Z axis is the C6 axis. 6 C2 axis perpendicular to the C6 axis. 3 sigma V planes and 3 sigma D planes. 1 sigma H plane passing through all atoms, that is in the xy plane. There is a center of inversion I. The symmetry elements are E, C6, 6 C2, 3 sigma V, 3 sigma D, sigma H, 2 C3, 2 S6, 2 S3, I. The point group of benzene is D6H. In this slide, we will check examples for different point groups. C1 point group, example is CHFClBr, CS, CH2FCl, NOCl, C2, H2O2, C3, C2H6, Gaussian conformation, D3H, C2H6, eclipsed conformation, D3D, C2H6, staggered conformation, C3H, BOH thrice, D5H, ferrozene, Ci, 1,2-dibromo, 1,2-dichloroethane, anti-conformation, D2H, ethylene, naphthalene, paradichlorobenzene, C2H, trans-dichloroethylene, OH, SF6, C infinity V, HCl, CO, NO, TD, methane, SO4 2 minus, D2D, allene, where alpha is equal to 90 degree, D2, allene, alpha not equal to 0 degree or 90 degree.